Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a gimbal. Free iCloud storage, which is really rare to have, but free iCloud storage and no hidden fees. This is a gimbal mainly for game sports, but you could use it for all personal recording or whatever. But it says mainly if you want the best performance, you want to have an iPhone 11 or newer, or Galaxy S21 or newer. It works for both Android and iOS. They do have a remote in case if you want to set your gimbal or on a tripod and leave it on the field, and you can move it around with that. It has a small tripod as well. The gimbal itself, I'll show you in a little bit. It's actually pretty good. It does have a pretty good feel to it. It's USB Type-C connection to charge. It does have live streaming, and it will store it into the cloud. And again, it's free storage. You don't have to pay for that, so that's pretty good. I will put a link in the description down below if you guys actually want to learn more about it. If you purchase one, they do have an app, so if you download the app, you'll get more benefit out of it. But look at this, it moves so smoothly. So right there is off. When you turn it on, no wiggle, it stays steady, so that's pretty good so far. But again, mainly for sports, it does have smart tracking. So if you put it on the field, you want to record your child or yourself in a game, it has smart tracking, and again, live streaming via Facebook or YouTube if you want to do that, and free storage on the cloud, so that's already a plus. Anyways, it's a seller from Amazon, I believe. I will put a link in the description down below for that one, and as well for more information if you want to know more about it. But so far so good. It does have a tripod, but I'm not 100% sure if it's included with it or not. Like it's a big old tripod. It's like let's say about, I would say about, let's see, probably 10 feet tall, maybe. So all those little steps you see right there, those are keep on going up. But anyways, link in the description down below. Hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.